Sunday, August 31st, 2025. Mario once again in continuation with these videos that I'm making for today. I'm going to revisit this motor mount here. I already did a video, so I'm not going to go too much into the motor and all those details. So I'm going to do the final one. But I'm going to be talking about this bracket right here. This bracket aluminum. Someone asked me, what am I using for the bracket? This is my own bracket. It's pretty much everything else. It's all customized, from the ground up. This is a 1/8 inch thick aluminum plate by this is 2 inches wide, and I just had to borrow this material. What I did is I manufactured this bracket, aluminum bracket for this motor, just taking dimensions of the mounting distances for the bolts of the motor support. Made an opening here at the center to clear the shaft, obviously, and then I did a couple holes here to support it on this root tube, and bent this with heat. You have to use heat with aluminum, especially 6061 aluminum. 6061 is it goes through a treatment. I think all aluminum materials go through some kind of a treatment, but some are less susceptible to cracking as you bend it. So you have to do this with heat, and even with heat, there's slight stress marks on the surface here when you go this thick right here. This one thick, like I said, 1 inch in thickness, 1/8 of an inch in thickness. And so that's how you have to do this. Anybody that has worked with aluminum and in a shop probably already knows this. This is more for somebody that's new that just may be wondering how these things are done, how you bend aluminum. There are some aluminums that are soft that you can just bend them without heat, but this one I didn't want to take the risk because that has happened to me before. And that's how experience kind of gives you all that information. So I heated this up with just one of those hand torches, a small hand torch, and made sure that it was nice and hot before I could put it on my bender. Actually, I think I use, what did I use? Yeah, I use a bender. You can do this on a vise, or you can do this on a press. There are a number of ways to bend this, but I do have a nice sheet metal bender. Just a manual one that I attach to my table with clamps, and that does the trick. Now this has a particular angle, obviously, because the motor at the front, if you were to mount this, the front needs to have a downward angle. At the back, it needs to have an upward angle. So this is my mount for this motor.